Good receive. And Pablo.
Oh!
Slow but very smart.
Yeah. Pablo. Para doon nakita mo yung PLDT nagsisigawan na short ball, pero Jonah will play as a opposite hitter for Petrogas.
This is a broken play. It's going to be a freebie. Rainbow. Cheng to Pablo.
Oh,
And Kat Arado got her hand on it, pero hindi na nasundan.
but no follow-up there for the rest of the PLDT squad.
For the high-speed hitters.
Lead back to 2 for PLDT. Myla Pablo off the hands. Easy point for Typhoon Pablo.
Sa scoring department ni Myla Pablo, sa halos lahat na sineset sa kanya.
Good minutes and good court time here for Petrogas. The last couple of games, nabanggit natin. 15 points and 17 big points for Myla Pablo. It's over! Make it 18 points. She is now the top scorer for Petrogas.
Overball, spike na lang niya for a quick point for their squad. From Petrogas.
Good first ball by Morente. Myla Pablo did not waste that.
Again, PLDT.
And clearly a connection.
Pinakita mo na ni Cheng na magbablock siya, tapos bigla niyang binaba yung kamay niya. Kaya naman, walang touch.
Nice pick up by Van Sickle. Ball back to Petrogas. Pablo will go up, and she is looking for that corner. She finds it. Zone 1 empty. Pablo will score point number 11 so far.
Yeah, again, facing cross court, tapos papaluin niya ng down the line. Parang naka-side beam na lang siya sa down the line. Kaya naman hindi...
With the help of the net, Del Palomata saving the day for PLDT. But ball back with the Angels. Pablo, down the line, inside.
Yeah. Yola Ceballos, paano mo dedepensahan nyo? Kasi usually, tatapatan mo yung katawan nung attacker, but ang layo na yun.
Good first ball from Ceballos.
No, good defense.
Yes. Arado with a save. Santos blocked, and she tries to kick the ball back up, couldn't do it, and that's another point for the Angels.
High speed ng Petrogas rather. So a lot of unforced errors from their side, but a good hit there from Myla Pablo, targeting cross court. Take a look at that again.
And that's spike of the set.